was racing, feet were pacing. Lord help me, please tell me what I've gotten into. When my brain miles to clear my mind, it always helps me out. It's my therapy when I'm losing it, which is usually.
Good morning, America. It's me, Oprah Barnett, coming at you once again. Thank you very much. Hello. I'm glad to speak with you this day. Well, today the message is about forgiveness. I just want you all to know that whenever you hold unforgiveness in your heart, it just messes you up and it just twists your stomach inside out. It makes you feel so awful. And I just want you to know you got to let it go. You got to call those people up that you're mad at, that you're acting hateful towards. Just let them know that you forgive them for whatever they've done in the past. Even if it was something recent that made you mad. Just call them up and let them know that you forgive them. And it has to be from the heart in order for you to have your burden lifted off of you. Because the burden of unforgiveness is not for you to carry, okay? And I always feel very good when I forgive people. It just makes you feel better. Life can move on a little more smoothly. You don't need to hold that unforgiveness in your heart, so just let it go. Thank you very much. And I know because I've been through it, and it feels better when you let it go. So just call those people up, let them know you forgive them. That doesn't mean you have to hang out with them or be best friends. You can still keep your distance, but just let them know that you forgive them and go on about your business. Thank you very much. And I'm working on getting you all some new things. Ladies, I know you all love the shoes, so we're going to try to get new shoes for everyone. Men, I know you guys like to look fly, so we're going to try to bring out the new fashions for all the men. Well, it will be coming soon, so just hold your horses. I just want you all to know that we're doing some great things for the community and for everyone out there. We're going to be trying to make these lives a little happier lives and make you feel a little better about yourselves. Esteem is one thing you should hold highly, and you should always put yourself first. But always remember to help the little guy, the people that don't have as much as you do or that need a little help around the way. Just remember, always be nice to someone each day. Thank you very much. This is Oprah Barnett. I love you. And you guys all have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Peace. Peace.